Thin parts and transparent objects have long been among the toughest challenges for robot vision, while faster production lines continue to demand higher speed, accuracy, and reliability. To overcome these challenges, Mech-Mind introduces the Mech-Eye ULTRA M-GL, our flagship industrial 3D camera, delivering the image quality and speed required for demanding applications. With high-resolution 3D imaging, the Mech-Eye ULTRA M-GL captures fine edges and subtle surface details with exceptional clarity. Even ultra-thin sheet metal parts under 1 mm can be accurately reconstructed, whether their surfaces are dark, low contrast, or highly reflective. This ensures complete and reliable 3D data for precise detection, picking, positioning, and assembly. For transparent and translucent materials, the Mech-Eye ULTRA M-GL breaks through the limitations of traditional robot vision. With specialized algorithms and dedicated optics, it generates more complete, high-contrast point clouds across a wide range of challenging objects, from retail goods to medical items. Beyond image quality, the camera also delivers outstanding speed. With capture times as fast as 0.08 seconds, it keeps pace with high-throughput applications such as parcel induction and retail piece picking, enabling robots to operate without waiting for vision. In production environments, high-frequency flicker from LED lighting and barcode scanners can affect imaging stability. Adaptive flicker suppression maintains consistent point clouds while preserving fast image acquisition. Built for industrial reliability, the Mech-Eye ULTRA M-GL features an IP65 rated enclosure for stable operation in demanding factory environments. Combined with Mech-Mind's AI-powered software, it simplifies robot deployment. While open SDKs and industry-standard interfaces enable flexible system integration. From precision manufacturing to retail, medical, and logistics automation, the Mech-Eye ULTRA M-GL empowers robots with clearer vision, faster response, and the ability to take on more complex tasks.